In today's video, I'll show you how to add GIFs to Microsoft Teams. You'll learn how to upload a GIF, use the built-in GIF search, and send GIF images in chats and channels. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to share fun and expressive GIFs in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat or channel where you want to send a GIF. Method 1. Use the built-in GIF feature. At the bottom of the message box, click the GIF icon or emoji icon. Use the search bar to find a GIF by typing a keyword. Browse through the results and click the GIF you like. The GIF will appear in the message box. Click Send to share it. Method 2. Upload a GIF from your computer. Click the plus or attachment icon below the message box. Select Upload from this device. Browse your computer and choose the GIF file you want to send. Once it uploads, click Send to share the GIF in the chat or channel. Method 3. Copy and paste a GIF. Open a website that provides GIFs, like Giphy. Right-click the GIF and copy it, or copy the GIF link. Go back to Microsoft Teams and paste it into the message box. Press Send, and the GIF will be shared. That's it. Those are the easiest ways to upload, use, and send GIF images in Microsoft Teams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Microsoft Teams tutorials.